Well, hey everybody. Just sitting out here enjoying the ocean up here on this cliff. Still a little whale watching today. Trying to just relax. It was supposed to be a really rainy day, and we got this nice little, at least a little bit of blue skies going on right now. So I thought I'd come out here and see if I could see any whales. So far, nothing. But also, just need to relax a little bit today. So, what am I doing just sitting on the top of a windy cliff on a cold winter day? Well, normally I'm traveling to the images. Today, I'm going to see what images come to me. I know this is not as much fun as exploring a temple in Korea or as terrifying as riding a rickshaw in India. I would be trying to explain this to you, but the wind is seriously overpowering my microphone right now. They're snow covered, they're kind of peeking to the clouds. I have quite literally an empty canvas in front of me. I am perched well above Puget Sound. There is nothing in front of me but the water with mountains in the distance. My drone is in my bag and I'm really hoping to fly it over some whales. Okay, spoiler, that's not going to happen. So I see an image. A tugboat is sailing off in the distance and right in front of the Olympic Mountains. You may notice that I'm not using a tripod. Well, I am. It's holding on to the GoPro. Since I'm using a long lens, I need to take some extra measures to keep the camera steady, so I'm using my knees. Now this will not solve all vibration issues, so I'm also shooting a lot of images of the same subject. In processing, only about 1 out of every 4 of these images were clear. I'm still looking for whales, but not having much luck. In any case, the wind is just getting too much for me to put the drone up. I do see a rainbow out in the distance, but it was not intense enough to make a good image. Now that the Olympic Mountains are coming out of the clouds, it's time for a pano. My batteries are all up. Since the wind is killing my audio, I'll just do this as a voiceover. I hope you enjoyed this more relaxing episode where we let the images come to us. Please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I post new episodes. Also, please consider opening your homes to a shelter animal or giving to your local animal shelter. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next episode.